guys, it's Laura here. I am so excited to start a new series with you guys. This series is based off of Pop Fizz Papers Challenge on YouTube. And every month at the beginning of the month, she grabs a ton of stuff from her stash and then she challenges herself throughout the month to see how much of that mini kit or stash that she pulled that she can actually use. So she shares at the beginning all the stuff that she's hoping to kind of use up, and then she shares at the month all the stuff she actually did use up. So it's a great way for you guys to see what's in someone's stash and how they use it and if they used it and how the challenge goes and how you can use up some of the stuff in your stash too. So I'm so excited to start this challenge for the month of June. I have grabbed a ton of stuff here that I have been meaning to use, and the fact that it's just been sitting around is annoying me. So I grabbed some base things to get started, and I'm going to show you what all that is right now. This entire Scrap Your Stash kit here that I've pulled together is based off of this Crate Paper Oasis chipboard sticker pack here. I love it. I love the colors, and I have a couple of pictures that I want to document from different weekends or a trip to San Francisco I took, or the trip to Arizona that I took. And I think that this is a great way to use up some of these chipboard stickers here that I've had for a while and I haven't used at all. So everything else that I pulled together is kind of based off of this chipboard sticker here. To go along with this chipboard pack, I've grabbed some 12 by 12 papers that I love, and I would love to use up some of them completely or at least just parts of them. And I grabbed a wide variety here that all kind of go with the same color theme. That way, if one particular piece of pattern paper doesn't work, maybe another one that I pulled will. So here are the ones that I'm working with. First, I grabbed some ones that have words on them, patterned words. So I grabbed this one, and this one. And then I have some other patterns here. And I think all of these colors work really well together. We've got a lot of blues, greens, and pinks, along with some craft colors. And of course, stripes, polka dots, and florals. So this is what all the paper I grabbed looks like. You can see it all kind of works together, so I'm hoping I will use up some of these 12 by 12 papers. I grabbed 12 by 12 papers, so we'll see how many of these 12 I can use up by the end of the month. The next thing I really want to focus on using is some of my stickers. I have a ton of stickers from Me and My Big Ideas for their planners, and they are such cute stickers, but I don't really do pretty planning very much. I just can't consistently stick with it. So I have all of these pages full of pretty stickers that are meant for your planner, and I never use them. So I am really hoping to use up some of these in the month of June and to see how big of a dent I can make in this giant sticker book here. The next thing I'm going to work on using up are some of my wood veneer, and you can see I have quite a collection here, and I don't really care which ones I use up, I just want to use some of them. One of the main challenges I want to work on this month is using up some of my tags. I have this entire little thing here full of tags. This is all the tags in my stash, and I rarely ever use tags. So this month I really want to challenge myself, get out of my box, try something new, use up a ton of these tags, see how much I can do here. And I thought a fun thing to add to my Use It Up kit here are my acrylic pieces. I have this whole thing full of acrylic pieces, and I love acrylic pieces. I just don't use them nearly enough. So because I'm focusing on a lot of traditional scrapbook layouts this month, I really want to use up some of these acrylic pieces because they are very thick and perfect for using on traditional scrapbook layouts. I also have this little square here full of some fun little bits that I would love to use up. I have some half-used enamel packs that I've had around forever. And then I also have a ton of little bows here that I've also had around forever. And then a ton of flare badges that I love. I used to be obsessed with these, and so I went out and I bought a ton years ago, and I hardly ever use them. So I really want to see how many of these fun little things I can use, especially these half-used packs of things here. I would love to use them up entirely, and it would give me a fun excuse to be able to go out and get a couple of new things when I'm all done using these up. To go along with all of the colors that I have here, I have also pulled out this partially used Maggie Holmes chipboard sticker set. And I would love to be able to use some of these up so I can finally throw away this 12 by 12 piece of paper that they've been on. And then I grabbed some pieces of paper from my stash, and these are all little paper bits that I have. I keep all my paper bits in a box, and these are left over from projects that I've done, times where I've cut up pieces of paper, and this is the leftover bits. So I grabbed some from that box that I think would look really good with the colors that I've pulled for the month of June, and I am hoping to make a little dent in this. Although the reality is this pile will probably be bigger at the end of the month of June because I will have used up some of these 12 by 12 papers that I have, and some of them will be scraps that will be added to this. But we will see what kind of a dent I can make in this. And the last thing that I grabbed for this month are some sequins. And I grabbed sequins that the colors are just so pretty, and I think they will look so good with all of the stuff that I've pulled for this month that I hope to use up. I do not care if I use up these sequins or not. I only pulled them out because they match the colors of all of this stuff, and I love using sequins in my project. And all of these are almost entirely full except the gold, but like these ones are entirely packed and brand new. So there's no way I'm going to use all of them up, and that's okay, but I grabbed them out because I really want to challenge myself to use just these color sequins this month to see what kind of a dent I can make in my stash here. So that's it. This is everything that I have pulled out for the month of June. I am so excited to see what progress I can make and how much of my stash I can use up. Please make sure to like this video and follow my channel if you want to see the cool projects that I make this month using all of this stuff. And make sure to check back so you can see all the stuff at the end of the month that I ended up using. I am so excited to see how this challenge goes and to inspire some of you out there like I have been inspired. And I hope this project works awesome for all of us. I'll catch you guys in the next crafty video. Bye!